Witness the fusion of art and engineering. The all-new Obsidian. As the sun sets on another day of production, these tires carry the promise of tomorrow's journey across the globe. Here we see the high-tensile steel wires being rapidly wound into strong circular bead rings, a marvel of precision engineering. Here we see the high-tensile steel wires being rapidly wound into strong circular bead rings, a marvel of precision engineering.
Look at this section here. The weave seems slightly off-center. I see it. Let me adjust the tension settings on panel 3.
The tensile strength on this rubber looks low.
Check the steel coils in bay 4 and expedite the chemicals.
Durability metrics are exceeding expectations on the outer tread.
Rerun the balance test at maximum RPM.
At this stage, the uncured rubber demands absolute precision. Every measurement is critical to the final product's integrity.
Alignment looks good on the bead.
Yes, within tolerance, we are clear for curing.
The automated laser scanners meticulously check the tread depth and sidewall integrity, ensuring zero defects.
See that density change right there?
Yes. Zooming in now, it looks like a casing bubble. We should reject this batch.
We log the data right here on the tablet.
Once the scan clears, they're ready for shipment.